messed up. So they have important information which they keep. And that is the secret that me and you are suffering from today. You see the problem? You see how you guys betrayed and you destroyed all of these things. Because they will never see you guys kind in the movement. Nonsense children. I mean, Mohbad never forgive you guys. They must show for Kolayini. I will be here for you. You see, I will be here to see how God will disgrace all of you. Lady, your name will still come outside in all of these things. Just watch. Should be you do like say, because I don't tell you before, Lynch, stop. You ran away from my platform because you need to go and gossip. All the time you were here, you were very respected. In fact, I was the one who stopped this whole loss thing. If it wasn't for me, you wouldn't have even survived it. And the reason why Lynch, you were hiding that nurse issue for me, is because there's something about that nurse with you. Could it be that you wanted to date the nurse? Could it be there's something between you and the father or the nurse or something? What is going on? No. Because I asked Lynch so many. I said, Lynch, these people are dragging you for what you say you don't know anything about. And don't forget, you said that you paid up to 20 million. You exaggerated it. And when people took it, even Kofi, I can play you a video when Kofi said it, that Lynch, you want to so there. I should have played. Only you want to so there, 20 million. And everybody took it. Now you are saying it's like I that said so. Be careful. If I just think few things. And anytime we decide feel like make I put sense for your head. Now few things I would think where I would just hold myself. The same thing I'm thinking of. And this bio tweet you do anyhow. You I don't know saying how foolish guy you be. All those things you keep sending to me on WhatsApp. That's why I never answer you. All the shit. And nigga nonsense, I know you're a traitor. That's why I never answer you. I know you will betray them too. So you are just all about the places. By your billion. You're all about the places. You guys are just children who are having fun. Everybody, you've forgotten you sent me some nonsense garbages on WhatsApp that I didn't even check. On that my public number. Have you forgotten? By your billion. Useless children. You see, after they say, how does Papa I don't know what is happening? Why would I know what is happening? When you guys are kids, you're all kids. They're all kids. They're all kids. When I told you that Guresi own is selling information, that's what he does for living. Like, if you go and tell this person this, that you are the only one that tell them, that one will give him money. Guresi is playing among all of them like this. Now Guresi has removed Bukky Jesse. Guresi is the mastermind underground. Guresi has removed Bukky Jesse, kicked Angela Wood away after using them. Now Guresi is moving to immunizer. Guresi is a silent person. Guresi will tell you, I don't know how immunizer came about. I don't know nothing. But Guresi is calculating ahead. The chaos is causing among them right now. It's intentionally causing it. He wants to do it with them. Guresi is fed up. Guresi has used them to gain power, to shield himself for a long time. That's what I'm saying. So the game now, like whatever they are saying, they are. In fact, I think Guresi should have told Baba Mohbad not coming online. It's part of their plan. Baba Mohbad, before, what does he do? He sit down, he come online. Baba is running from his account. Baba puts Safu account here. Baba is going to YouTube. Baba is running from TikTok and going to YouTube. And Lynch. Lynch. Bro, you get sense. Pass all these things, bro. Nobody say they collect no kind of money. You they spend your own money. I expect to, bro. Open your mind, bro. What I say. That's what I'm telling you. Don't bring your hatred with like that. Don't bring it into you for me. It will make sense to me if you guys address other issues. But trying to bring it into J4M, we all know how J4M got messed up by Baba Mohbad and his gangs and his carcass. You can tell now Lagata is no more there. Look at how them are fighting. Is it Lagata that is still causing fight among them? All of those people, they're irrelevant. Look at us here. Look at all the people that have believed in me, built with my platform. They can never be ashamed because me myself, who is leading them, I comport myself next me I should begin to open. You see, I like the fact that we are where we are right now. Now we know Comfy was sued, 2 million was given to her, contrary to what she came to lie about last time. That, oh, she never took any money. Now the secret is out. 2 million was taken. Now tell me, so why was she pretending? Instead of them to advise Comfy to stop insulting people. You guys enjoy it when this miscreant insult people. But when I insult you guys, Paparano is rude. When I see people you guys associate with, I disrespect all of you. It's better you were never with those people. But you associate with criminals, I see you as criminal. Sorry. Because you love it. Nonsense. One, as I said earlier, to those of you who are posting that African TV dirty picture, just know, right? African TV is a failed person and a wicked soul. This is somebody I give my own hard-earned money. I use my platform to raise money for African TV. I even give money to his son. I intentionally make his son to win a game that I was playing for charity. I intentionally. Give him money on my platform. I stood for African TV when all this King White, all these guys, I have many enemies because of this useless man they call Larry Omodia. This man never thought of all those times. But just because I saw me doing what I like, my own conscience tell me somebody's doing well. And this man want to control my conscience. They want to buy my soul. As old as I am and as experienced as I am in life, I should now be following that Twitch, that bastard African television, that Omodia. I should bring myself down to his level. I cannot detect what is good for myself and follow it. I have to follow what he wants. And then now, that's how I dragging him. Out of everybody, this African TV, you will never see him post about anybody on his page. I am, out of all the good I've done to him, I am the only person this guy posted on his page, dragging me. Ask yourself if you have been here for 2 years, what can make African TV post a video, picture for Papariano? What is that thing that this guy has done to him so much that others have never done to him? And look at everything I did for this bastard. Take a look at everything I did for this bastard. This man, he must fail. He's a useless man. And we will finish him. Like, I was doing my thing on FYP. I don't see a picture of this guy posting me saying, look at the spirit in Magodriano, this and that. Content from me. But this foolishness is just what I want to deprecate. I want to bring out this foolishness, want everybody to see and ask me what exactly did Paparano do wrong for you. And everybody who has been will judge. From the beginning of this case till now, what exactly that made you post him and not post all the enemies, all the people who have been against you? Not even Lagata was posted there. Maybe you find me so cheap like that. I will show you that I am not that easy. For you not to post others, you are scared jẹ́ pé ẹ ti parọ́ fún wa ni ẹ ti sòótọ́ fún wa. Anybody ń gbọ́ wá ń gògó? So it means all this while you guys didn't tell us the reason why critical thinker was dissolved. Ta ló jí owó kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Ta ló scam? Ẹ ti sòótọ́ àbí? Ẹ rí àwọn ìbàjẹ́ àwọn ìbàjẹ́ èèyàn. Àwọn aburú èèyàn ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ rí gbogbo wọn sìn. When the time, which time? Tó bá lọ kó lọ́la ńkọ́? Aláyé lánú kó sọ̀rọ̀ gbogbo ẹnu sí máa kẹ́ ṣe òṣèré. They married? Because ẹnu sí máa kó sọ̀rọ̀ ìṣòro critical thinker.
He will tell you the reason why the critical thinkers was dissolved.
Ó lè sọ. Ọ̀rọ̀ tó tóbi jẹ́ ẹ̀dùn ẹ̀nu. Ọ̀rọ̀ tó tóbi jẹ́ ẹ̀dùn ẹ̀nu. Ó ti ṣe. You are mad. You and that Oluwatosin, you guys are mad together. Ẹ ṣe é. Ayé Oluwatosin máa bàjẹ́ kó tó sọ̀rọ̀ exam. Wọ́n máa fún kọ́ ọmọ exam. Oluwatosin, wọ́n máa fi òkú ìbọn ẹ̀ máa fi ṣe sáà. Aláyé bàyọ̀ onídọ̀tí lóhùn. Owó fùfù. Wọ́n fẹ́ yí sáà ní sáà. Ó lọ fi sáà sórúkọ ẹ̀. Olóṣì olódò.
Because why? I understand what is being played. It's not their fault. It is what somebody is telling them. The person that is telling them, we know. Because I was privileged.
Mention the name. Mention the name. Mention the name.
I was privileged.
Mention the name. Mama Sobe. Mention the name. You're privileged, bro. Hey, FFB, how are you? How are you? Mention the name if it's sure for you. But they tell us blah, 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 blah.
Embarrassingly, and that man started crying after the conversation. That is okay. A lot of things. I'm so good to you. If I want to address this matter, mommy, this case,
Where's 13 million that was contributed?
Dollar K, they are paying his house rent.
Ola, he didn't pay school fees.
Thank you.
They're all miscreants. Out of all of them, the only person I cannot believe that I will never say is being paid is Bayo. Okay? I will never say Bayo. The Lord of us of Bayo. That's why I asked that question. Every one of them, those ones they want money too. Like, they're not for anything. They are scammers. But Bayo for me, Bayo is just seeking relevance. He just want to, like Insider said, he want to be close to Mohbad. He want everyone to talk about him, like for him to just be out there. I know all of them are my guys now. Your daddy Bayo, they were all here before, so I know what everyone is craving for. Sure, your daddy, I don't know, a business guy. I don't know if you guys heard it 2 days or 3 days ago when Oluwatosin, your daddy were talking. I one lady, they say it's a barista too. Just came. He stopped them from talking. Just like that. And they were talking sense. Don't forget, nobody's a barista. Oluwatosin, son Oluwatosin, abi. Okay, he's not a barista. Okay, they are all nuisance. They are added by some added sound. You see, I want to just they are nuisance. I know all of those guys. Don't mind them. Have you ever seen, whenever we are contributing money for anything, have you ever seen your daddy contributed money? You always see where I contribute, but I contribute. You will never see your contribute for nothing. Never. with his fake account. Tell me any amount he ever contributed for G4M. With evidence. Olori Buruku York is at the receiving end. York that was saying that he's going live, is making his $50 per week, whatever. He was saying it proudly then. Olori Buruku. I do. Guys, let's have evidence for it, but York that is money, buy your fast. Oresi is money too. Oresi too is looking for money. When somebody lives in UK, living abroad, and you are living in a house, because when you look at job, no matter how poor you are, you can't be poor to eat. That's what I'm saying. You think you have to be there. Young that is a failure. He knows what he's doing is a failure. He just want to find way to galvanize money for himself. What the young daddy? What they will say? There was nice money. You were sports, that useless boy. It's a foolish boy. Well, I'm going to talk to him. Let me tell you. Okay, just talk to him. You know what? How do you know this? Okay, just was betrayed. Who dropped? What happened? Who dropped? Who dropped just now? I don't know. Anyway, we don't know. Now, why did Young Daddy betrayed because of money? Coach was paying coach. It is because of coach. Young Daddy chose coach over Bukesi. You're very right. And coach give money. Coach to bring money to the table. Olori Buruku ni Young Daddy. So what is was able to buy Young Daddy. And somebody's attitude. Thank you very much. When it comes to money, that is Young Daddy. Anything money. Olori Buruku ni. That's why he's there with them. Same thing, Gures. But Bayo, him is relevance. Bayo will betray anybody just to get relevance. So they are the same. They are the same.
Also, just because you live in UK doesn't mean you don't have some issues regarding access to make money. Right? If I repeat that to you, you don't know what condition that is living under, right? You don't know. Exactly. And some people, even they have everything. To answer you. One minute. Some people have everything, but they just pedantic, lazy. Do you understand? They use part of getting money off people. So let's just let that sink in as well. So we don't know what's going on.
My own thought when they borrow $50 for Lagata. My own thought is Lagata, you have integrity, you have Lagata, go ahead and analyze your cabinet too. You are looking for a job, you got a job. Oh, you have a lot of choice here. You can go and look for a job. You say, okay, you are home. You are just okay. Now, about Olaide, Olaide come to UK. Olaide, okay, I don't know about that. Barrister Olaide. There's one Oluwatosin to see that came up. Oluwatosin was talking with this thing. I said, this guy is feeling a little bit here. It really just came up. You know, vengeance too is an agent. They are criminals, I'm telling you. They are criminals. What is happening here? Confused. She's a useless woman. This is collecting money in court. And I saw people every day. This is Bayo will expose them and Confused will even bow for Bayo. Because Bayo has paid us several times. So Lord Burukuni. We have to drag them. This is when Bayo do my platform. I don't think Bayo ever said that he give me even if I want kobo. No, now. Because me, I respect myself. But that's useless coffee. Now she could drive people. And at the end of the day, 2 million local for Olori Buruku. She was even calling Irelu coffee or Irelu for me low. Over here, yes, about one phone low, Olori Buruku. cares about whatever you want to say at this point. It's too late. You have been abandoned. Yes, I'm here. Who do you think I should deal with between Bayo and your daddy? I'm trying to deal with small. You are a little crazy for me. No. Wait. Let me explain where I'm coming from. Let me explain to you. I want either of them to speak the truth. But they have a problem. It's cleaning. Already is with your daddy. Shalaki, please, just a minute. Okay. Shoot, are you expecting them to sing? It's like this thing is a karma. I don't know this. I want them to yes. I want them to say, sorry, I'm sorry. Sorry. Yes, my opinion, I was nothing they want to say that will impress anybody here. I was worried that was sure. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. You might not allow me to land. I won't allow you to land. Wait. Let me land. One of them is not having in this case right from the platform. John, I'm not allowed to talk because what you are saying it does not what they are expecting. No, John. Both of them, we should put both of them on the wall. We should put both of them outside and let them realize that they are both betrayers. They are getting exactly what they deserve. You want to flog them? They are both getting what they deserve now. So none of them is free or none of them is a saint. None of Saint Pedro. None of them that is going to say anything that is going to impress anybody. Because they are going to say lies. They hide so many things. They want this justice to where we are today. Both of them exactly. Just like Insider and that is why he left Papadano's platform. John, can you allow me to say this? Together Job Daddy. Chalake, I will not allow you to talk this evening. Honestly, let me talk this. It's like you don't even know both of them at the beginning. So like you know both of them at the beginning very well from this Papadiano platform. You will not be saying what you are saying tonight. Honestly, everybody that knows value million, if you know their beginning here, you will understand what we are saying today. None of them is needed. Okay, wait, do you want to engage John? John, do you want to engage him? Like answer his question and I don't even want to if he asks me a question I can answer, but I don't want him to Sholake, do you want to ask him any question? Do you have any question? No, I don't want them to look like they are hero. None of them is hero. They are not hero. They are both betrayers. Okay, I don't think it's that they are heroes. It's not saying that they are heroes. They are betrayers. No, listen. I don't want make them to look like maybe they are important. No! If we are listening to them, you are taking the seat. No! Sorry, you are getting me wrong. You are getting me wrong. I'm not getting you wrong. I want to give you an example. Let me tell you something. If they don't want to have anything in their mind to say, they will definitely say it. Not until they come to Papadiano platform. I don't even want any one of them to come to this platform. Because they are both betrayers. I don't care. I don't want them to. If I have the power, I will not allow them here. Let me say. Say sorry. Sherry, when people cannot allow somebody to say sorry, not a guy, we find it so difficult. I know. In fact, of the one we came from, we find it so difficult to say sorry. That I got it wrong. I'm sorry. I know. It's but we don't allow people to say it. Why? That's where I'm coming from. Richie, please.
I think it's a little bit wrong, Shiraki. What you said is right in a way, but it's wrong at the same time. You know why?
Yeah.
The people you're dealing with, they're not ready to go.
How do you know?
Let me finish. Because they have their own dark side to protect.
The establishment of this country, you understand. The next day, you will say sorry.
You see,
what's your problem with that?
He had an altercation for a fault and all that. They said sorry. That's not what we talked about here. These people, they have their own dark side, which they messed up. And you expect them to come and say sorry?
I mean, the promise of a country just messed up.
You're mixing the two things together.
I don't know. It's just something. Anybody can say sorry anytime he wants to do it.
It's not.
It's because Sholake doesn't know them from the beginning. Who be saying this? And the reason why Sholake doesn't know them, Sholake was with Wunmi before he passed from so Fire Billon and part that girl was on platform on this platform there. Sholake was on this platform there. So that's why Sholake is saying all this thing. He doesn't know them.
I don't understand. He doesn't.
If I should go and play the record of when Paparano and Fire Billion and Not Daddy started things, the way they are talking, the way they are doing then, it's not the way they are doing now. Just change suddenly.
It's not. You have to leave them. And if you go, let me now tell you.
I want to correct them.
Shalaki, I know you. I didn't say Shalaki, I'm warning you right now.
Okay.
I know you have thick skin. Right? You go when people insult you all the time. Right? Don't attempt to go on a platform where these guys are thinking you wanted to encourage them. They're going to roast you alive. Just for you to take that on board. Thank you.
I got a fake account 2 days ago and I was listening to all those nonsense about I wish I can come over and tell them that. I mean, what you are saying, you allow him to talk. Why do you want to back him? He's a man. You are not feeding him. Let him say what he wants to say. He may not like it. That's your problem. I just he said Baba called him. He even listened to Baba because he believed that he want to be so close and still relevant to him. If not because of that, he would not listen to him. That is the fact. No any other person can call him that time that we listen. So that is what you are getting wrong.
I'll be back in a minute.
Okay. That is the difference. So he just tried to respect Baba Mohbad because it is him that he believed that that is the person I want to be close to, and he has no choice than to be closer to him and listen to whatever he said.
See loyal,
yes, that is loyalty.
Yeah. Of course, I agree with what you're saying. But when he was saying something, which don't touch the man, and the man doesn't want him to say it, he's being gagged. That's where I'm coming from. So automatically, that's it. What I want to remove that shadow. That shadow from
if Bayo really determined to talk, is what he's trying to ask. That's what I'm doing now. To talk.
Let's not tell you that Bayo is a man. A man should not allow you not to talk. You told us yesterday that the man just called you and you stopped talking. Are you a man?
Sholake, if you know Bayo Billion from day one, Bayo is not a man enough.
Thank you.
I'm telling you tonight. All of us are here together. So
Bayo, you can hear that they say you are not man enough.
He's not a man enough.
That's
he's not a man enough. He always follows crowd.
That's one of those things.
That is what I know him for.
Doesn't even know what you are doing.
He always follow crowd.
Okay.
That is him.
Bayo, you can hear what they describe you.
Yeah, but why can't you come upstairs here? Why can't you come up and talk now? When you say you have invited, if he wants to talk, he can come here now and say whatever he wants to say.
If you want to say anything, Bayo, you are free.
Welcome, Mama.
You are free to say anything. Tomorrow,
you know what you are doing.
You have your platform. You can say everything. No matter.
You know what they are doing. I'm telling you the truth.
So,
yeah.
I don't know what they're doing. We don't know each other from anywhere. But my child can run your own in-law tomorrow. But will I even be able to talk to you? I said, Bayo, no. He doesn't know what he's doing. And this one cannot control his own children. I can tell you that. First, to your face. Yes, I will say it. I will tell my own daughter or son, sorry, I cannot marry you. I cannot marry you. We can meet in front. Not to want you. It doesn't matter. TikTok, we can meet. But when your TV is not there, when your children is not there, now you ask yourself, will I allow my own daughter to marry your own son? Will I allow my own son to marry your own daughter? I will find it so difficult, Bayo. You have an opportunity to do what you have to do. You can do it tomorrow. You can do it anytime you want. It's never too late. Because at the end of the day, you are being gagged. You're over now. You want to talk, but you find it so difficult to talk. I was calling you. Nobody say you should not talk. It's better to talk and keep it in the can.
Bayo has his own platform. He can go there and open his platform and talk.
Yes.
Doesn't want to say anything. All those people that gbogbo yẹn ìrètí ìdí ló ń gbé wa ní kéèké. Gbogbo gbé wa ní gbogbo ìjà ló ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin wọn. Kò lè san kankan. Bàbá ẹ̀ gbàgbé ẹ̀. If he really wants to say anything, yes, he when coffee shut down, what is it? Your card, open up now, open platform now. Why keep you up below? No, open platform. I mean, I go and go on more potential. 419, guy man, guy. It should be our guy, guy man, they're just playing